In front of me is iPad Air 2025 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view from the dock. Then open any other one. Slide up from the bottom edge of your screen to access the dock. Hold one of your apps and drag it up. Then let go. As you can see now, I can use mine in pop-up view. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To use more options of pop-up view, click on the same three dots and operate all of those. If you want to close it, select Close option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!